Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 4.3 chapter 4 question number 2. Simple equation. We have already done exercise 4.2 and we know that how to solve the equation by transposing method. Now we will do question number A. See the question imply sign. Now 2 is multiplied with x plus 4. Here 2 into, here no sign is there means here into sign is there. So 2 into x plus 4. So first you have to multiply 2 into x plus 2 into 4. So you have to multiply this one first. 2 into x, 2x. Then this plus sign, whatever the sign is here, you have to write this sign. Then next you will multiply 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8. Then equal to 12 as it is. Now same as you have done in exercise 4.2 transposing method, you have to separate the variable. So first you will shift plus 8 in the right side. 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 plus 8 will be shifted in the right side. So its sign will be changed. Next 2x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2 was multiplied here. So, in the right side 2 will be divided. Now, 2 and 4 you will cancel and you will get 2. So, the value of x is equal to, you can write therefore, x is equal to 2. Next question. In question number B, same condition 3 is multiplied with n minus 5. So, multiply it, imply sign 3 into n, then minus sign is there, so you will write minus sign, and 3 into 5, 15. Equal to, right side it was 21, so write as it is. Then 3n, transposing method, 15 will go in the right side and with the another opposite sign. So 21, it was here minus, so here it will be plus 15. 3n is equal to 6, 36. N is equal to 36. 3 was multiplied here, 3 will go down, dividing it is 12. Therefore, value of n is equal to 12. Next question. Question number C. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Same sum. Just right hand side portion is minus 21. Do the same way. 3 into n minus then 3 into 5, 15 is equal to minus 21. Then transposing method 3n, 15 will go in this side. So minus 21 plus 15. 3n is equal to, subtract it. 3n is equal to minus 6 minus 21 plus 15. Therefore, n is equal to minus 6 by 3. 2 therefore n is equal to minus 2. Next question. Now question number D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Now start multiplying. Imply sign minus 4 into 2. See, minus sign is here. So minus 4 into 2 means minus 8. Minus 4 into 2. Then minus plus. Minus plus minus. Then again 4 into x. 4x. So now as the minus sign is outside, when you open the bracket, the sign will be changed inside the bracket also. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Equal to 8. Right hand side number will not change now. Now minus 4x. Minus 4x, separate the variable. To transposing minus 8, it will go in the right side and the value will be 8 was here and this 8 will go with the opposite of sign minus 8, it will be plus 8. Now minus 4x is equal to 16. Then x is equal to, you have to shift minus 4 in the right side, as it was multiplied here minus 4 into x. So minus 4 will go in the denominator and the result will be 16 by minus 4. Then what will be the result? If you cancel it, 4 4s are 16. Therefore x is equal to minus 4. Here minus sign is there, so minus 4 into 1, it is minus 4. Understood? Now come to the next question, last one of this question number 2. Next sum is same as 4 into 2 minus x, multiply 4 to the 8, minus 4 into x, 4x. See here, minus sign was not outside. So the sign inside the bracket has not changed. So 4 into 2 only 8 and minus sign was inside. So minus 4 into x, 4x is equal to 8. Now again minus 4x is equal to, this 8 was plus here, positive sign here, it will shift it in the, it will transposing in the right side 8, and this 8 will transposing, by transposing method it will come and it will, by opposite sign of plus 8 it will become minus 8. Next what happened, minus 4x is equal to 0 plus 8 minus 8, you will get a 0 value. Then x is equal to, same way, 0 minus 4 will go down. Then the result, if you know that 0 divided by any number, it will only 0. So x is equal to 0. I hope whatever the sums we have explained, 5 sums we have explained here, it will be easy for you. Need to practice. Thank you, students.